Good morning, students. I am Dr. Prashant and I am going to carry forward the concepts which were discussed by Dr. Pavitra Prakash sir and Dr. Shikha ma'am. So today we are going to discuss the concept of diffusion of innovation from the perspective of consumer behavior. So in innovation diffusion, basically we are interested in how customers are adopting the new products which are introduced by the various brands and organizations in the market. So here you can see there are basically three components of innovation diffusion. The first component is the product, the behavior and the experience. So the most important part of innovation diffusion is going to be our product. What kind of product we are having, how advanced the product is, what is the utility of the product. That will decide what kind of behavior different reference groups will exhibit towards that particular product and its adoption. And subsequently, based on the behavioral patterns and the customer value these different reference groups are deriving from the product, they will move towards the experiential part. And experience will in turn decide how the product or the brand is going to work in the market. So when I am saying innovation diffusion, I am talking about basically 5 key stages or different categories of customers which are going to be acquiring or absorbing these products in the market. So for this, I will use one of the videos and I will go through it step by step. So we are going to discuss the various stages.
One of 5 different adopter
and these stages are the early adopters, the innovators,
Roger's theory
the early majority, and the late majority.
Like these.
Now, in case of innovators, innovators are those customer groups which are very curious about technology. They want to experience something new in the market. So what is going to happen? Either the product will be a very huge hit amongst these group of people, or they will simply say no, the product is rubbish, and they will not promote this product further in their peers. Now the second one are the early adopters, and these early adopters,
each adopter group differently using distinct communication channels and messages.
These early adopters are the ones who are somewhat ready to absorb these kind of new technologies. They know certain individuals are experiencing the same, and after this there is a chasm, there is a gap, and this gap is very significant from the point of view of consumer psyche, and only those who are able to cross this chasm, they are shifted towards the early adopters category. And these are the individuals who are ready to absorb the products, and they are basically influenced by the big celebrities. Somebody is using that specific phone or specific brand, then I will also use it. I want to know why these individuals are using it, and also I want to associate myself with these celebrities or personalities. And thereafter we have the late adopters. Late adopters are those group of customers who are actually relying on others' feedback. They think now majority of the people have already utilized this particular product. They know, they understand what are the benefits, what are the features, and now they are more confident of using that specific product in the market. And the last category is called the laggards. They are basically not aware about this product. If you are going to ask that XYZ brand is available in the market, they will say what product, what brand. So these are the individuals, or these are the groups where the brands generally don't focus. Now, apart from these 5 categories of customer, the important point I want to highlight is understanding why we are interested in innovation diffusion. That is way more important apart from the various categorization of the customers. Now, based on these reference groups or customers, we will decide what is going to be our future course of strategies. And in this, we are primarily focusing on the experiential part. What experience these different customer groups are getting from our product. So here you will see the product and behavior are affecting each other in both the directions. So based on the product, you will have the absorption by these various customer groups, and by getting the feedback from these reference groups, you will make certain changes into your product. And subsequently, altogether, this phenomenon is going to impact the overall experience of the customer. And for this, we will use a specific tool called Net Promoter Score or NPS. And in this, we are basically interested in the word of mouth. Are you actually going to recommend this product or this brand to your family members or your peers? So that is the focus area, and nowadays everything is in the business, in the industry is centered on the experience the customer is deriving from a particular product, and for that understanding of the consumer behavior is a very key component. And that with this I will rest my lecture for the day, and we will see you again.